In 1972, a determined woman named Clara Thompson led a campaign to save the wetlands of Marshville. These wetlands were home to rare species and vital to the local ecosystem. Clara rallied the community, using her charm and knowledge to educate others about the importance of preservation. Her efforts caught the attention of national media, and soon, the government intervened to protect the area. Clara's passion and dedication not only saved the wetlands, but also inspired future generations to value and protect natural habitats. Her legacy lives on, reminding us of the power of one determined individual.